out this evening is Lisa Keane. Lisa will have new music coming out next month, so keep an eye on her social media channels for more. At Lisa Keane on Instagram and TikTok, and at Lisa Keane Music on Facebook. Take it away, Lisa. Let's go.
Been holding my breath every time you look away. Sometimes I'm scared I'll pick the wrong things to say, and I don't know how to do this, but man, I'm trying. Don't know what it was about you that made me change my mind. 'Cause before you, I thought my love was doomed. Tried to leave the past in the past, but I'm still haunted by those wounds. What if I keep waiting for you to decide that you'd rather drown in someone else's eyes? What if you've already made up your mind? What if I can't see the truth? 'Cause I've been so tangled up in the webs of his lies. What if I can't handle another goodbye? Ooh, I didn't want to get burnt again, so I threw out my matches. Then I stood back and watched as all my friends fell in love so fast, and so I came to accept that fate. Thought I got cursed at the garden gates. Couldn't understand why he didn't warn me. Now it's a little too late. 'Cause before you, I thought my love was doomed. Tried to leave the past in the past, but I'm still haunted by those wounds. What if I keep waiting for you to decide that you'd rather drown